So people understand something. This is real life. This isn't a movie. You know, so what you're seeing is what it is. True from the heart. It's not a movie. It never will be a real movie. This is all about real people, real life, real situations. And I think it's important to get the message out there. So people could know and understand that the world isn't just what's around them. The world is far and beyond them. There's more to it. So just keep this in mind when you see a homeless person in the street, a child with no food. Make sure you stop, smile at them, say thank you, give them a hug. Anything makes a world of difference for people. Trust me, it does. Those moments like that have touched my heart plenty of times. And like I said, I'm grateful. So this is for you guys. Whew. Let's make it happen. Keep going.